Running a successful print-on-demand business means working smarter, not harder. One of the most effective ways to boost your profits and simplify your workflow is incorporating bulk orders into your strategy. Print-on-demand is perfect for fulfilling single-item orders, but did you know you can also combine it with bulk benefits? Bulk ordering lets you purchase larger quantities of custom products at a discount, making it ideal for scaling your business, preparing for seasonal sales campaigns, or getting ready for special in-person events. Bulk ordering with Printful is even more convenient because you can create several versions of the same item and still get the bulk discount if you order at least 25 pieces. With Printful, designing and customizing products for bulk orders is just like creating regular print-on-demand items. The key difference? When you order 25 or more units of the same product, you'll unlock bulk pricing. It's easy to set up and, more importantly, saves you money on every item. These are some scenarios where bulk ordering makes sense for a print-on-demand business. First, high-demand products and seasonal sales. While Printful's print-on-demand service is always ready and capable of adapting to your fulfillment needs, bulk ordering can also be a smart way to quickly replenish stock and increase profit margins, especially for in-person sales. For instance, many Printful customers with physical stores see a peak in demand during the summer months and holiday shopping seasons. By ordering their bestsellers such as t-shirts, hoodies, or hats in bulk, they can maintain consistent inventory for their brick-and-mortar locations, offer faster turnaround times for local customers, and maximize sales during these peak periods. This also allows them to prepare for anticipated sales spikes related to promotional events or back-to-school trends, ensuring they have the stock on hand to meet customer demand without delays. Next, in-person events. Hosting or participating in events like fairs, conferences, or community gatherings, bulk orders make preparation easy. For example, if you're planning to sell custom t-shirts or promotional hats at a local pop-up store, having a bulk stock on hand saves you the hassle of managing on-demand inventory while ensuring you're ready to meet customer demand. Next, building brand awareness with merchandise. Custom merchandise can go a long way in building brand visibility and loyalty. Bulk ordering is perfect for creating branded t-shirts, hats, or mugs that you can use for giveaways, employee uniforms, or client gifts. For businesses participating in promotional campaigns, this is a cost-effective way to make a lasting impression. And lastly, a hybrid approach. Remember, bulk doesn't compete with print-on-demand. Instead, it complements it. Use print-on-demand for a consistent purchase flow and bulk ordering for one-off events or giveaways. For example, you might use POD for custom designs ordered on demand by customers, while using bulk to prepare standardized products for your next big event or promotion. Placing a bulk order on Printful is easy. To order custom products in bulk, go to Printful's product catalog. You can access it by clicking Explore Products on the Printful website. If you've already signed up, you can also access the catalog from your dashboard right here. From the catalog, select All Products. To find products eligible for bulk discounts, use the All Filters option and filter by Special Offers and Bulk Discount. This will show you the available products with bulk pricing. In this example, we'll be customizing a t-shirt. I'm going to select the unisex staple t-shirt to show you how it's done. On the product page, scroll down to the bulk discount section. This section displays the discounted prices and the total savings for different quantities of the custom product you order. And yes, these discounts still apply even if you mix and match colors and sizes within the same bulk order. Click Start Designing to customize the product. Choose the colors and sizes, and upload your custom design. Once you're happy with your design, click Add to Cart. In your cart, you can adjust the product quantities and see the bulk discounts applied for orders of 25 items or more. For this example, I'll order 50 t-shirts. To complete your bulk order, click Continue to Checkout. Printful will then automatically ship your order from the production facility closest to your address. And that's it. I hope this video has given you a clearer understanding of how to grow your business using print-on-demand and bulk orders. Have any additional questions about bulk ordering? Ask us in the comments below. I'm happy to answer them. Thanks for watching and happy selling.